Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome back in the chemistry lecture of 12th science. Today we are going to see about the geometrical isomerism. Last time we have seen about the structural isomerism that was of four type, that is ionization isomerism, linkage isomerism, solvate isomerism and coordination isomerism. Now, as last time this I have explained about the coordination isomerism, that there is an interchange of the ligands. And certain MCQ question also we have seen. That was a recap. Now, this was the another question that we have seen. Now we have to see the geometrical isomerism. In 11th standard we have seen the geometrical isomerism, that is of cis and trans. Geometrical isomerism, here as see this we have studied in 11th standard. Across double bond we have to keep our hand, and on the above the hand it is considered to be as a one plane, and below the hand it is considered to be as another plane. So if above the double bond, if there is a same atoms or a group of atom, is said to be as a cis, and below the plane if there is a same atom is said to be as a cis. And if in trans isomerism you can see on the plane on one side there is a different atom or a group of atom, so it is said to be as a trans. So this we have already studied in 11th standard. So now this cis and trans configuration, how we will study in the coordination compound in a different way. Try to understand. Cis means same side and trans means opposite side. Now you know very well what is the coordination number. The coordination number can be defined as the number of ligands attached to central metal atom is said to be as a coordination number, or in the other terms we can say that the number of donor atom attached to the central metal atom is said to be as a coordination number. So for this cis and trans we will see the coordination number with the coordination number 4 and the coordination number 6. Let's go ahead. Now this is the M central metal atom, and this is an atom or a group of atom which donates a lone pair of which donate a pair of electron to the central metal atom. According to the Sidwick theory, each ligand donates a pair of electron. Now you know that this is geometry. 4 ligands are there. Geometry is square planar or tetrahedral. Two type of geometry can be elaborate. With the coordination number 6, the geometry can be elaborate, that is octahedral geometry. These 4 ligands are on the plane, and this is on the top and this is at the bottom. From the top it will form a pyramid, from the bottom also it will form a pyramid. There will be 8 phases. That is why it is said to be as an octahedral geometry. Complex with the coordination number 4. Now, M symbolizes as metal ion or metal atom. A is symbolizes as a ligand. Over here I have written A2, that means what? 2 ligands of same kind, same type, same to same. L means different ligand, means another ligand. L2 means there are 2 type of L ligands, and A2 means there are 2 type of A ligands. Now over here in the 11th standard, as we put the hand across the double bond in this way, now here in coordination compound you have to see the cis and trans configuration opposite to the 11th standard, that is vertically. Vertically you have to divide the complex and you have to see from right side or left side. So from right side it is this compound A is in same plane and this ligand L is on the left side. Of course, all these are the ligands, just we have symbolized it as A and L. So it is said to be as a cis configuration. A right hand side is a one plane and left hand side is another plane. So it is a cis compound. Now you can see what is a trans compound. Now if I divide in this way, now you can see this plane contain two different type of ligand. So it is a trans complex. Now here in another case we will see where we have A2 means A will be having same to same, and X and Y means we will have a different types of ligand, different kind of ligand. Now listen carefully students, here there is a typing mistake. As I told you that what is a cis configuration, we have to draw the horizontal line on the metal and we have to see this is a one plane and this is another plane. So as it is a cis configuration, so it should be in this way. This A should be over here. So this will be in the same plane. So try to understand. Just imagine that this A is over here in place of X. So it is a cis configuration AA, and in order for the trans configuration, the A should be on the opposite direction, opposite in this way. So over here the trans configuration is correct. A is in the opposite, but for cis this X will be over here and A will be over here, so it will be cis. Now this is a trans. Now we will see all the four ligands different. So of course we cannot define that if all the four ligands are different, how we can say cis and trans. Thus we can interchange, we can have an interchange of the position of the ligand. By changing the position of ligand, we can say the different type of configuration. You can just see here there is X, B, X, A and Y. So what the interchange has been done, try to understand. Just we have changed the configuration. A is over here now. A and Y has exchanged their place. And X is in the third one, X is kept as a constant, and now A and B has exchanged their place. So here we cannot say cis and trans because there is no same ligand in the plane. So now over here we can see that AB complex, which is said to be as an bidentate ligand, that is we can say in poly or multidentate ligand, that means one ligand having two donor atom, so this AB is a bidentate ligand. So for the bidentate ligand, this configuration is a cis configuration, and for the trans configuration just we will be reversing. Now for this bidentate or polydentate ligand, we say that they are chelate ligand. In the previous lecture I have explained you. So for the chelate ligand, chelate ligand we will see as above the plane, as same of the alkene. Remember carefully for the chelate ligand. So A is same above the metal and B is same above the metal. So for this you have to remember as an alkene, cis and trans. Now we have interchanged this. So now this will be in opposite direction. Over here this line is saying that this is a chelate ligand. They are connected to each other. Now with an example we will see as A having a same kind of ligand, that is ammonia. Ammonia is same C2. L is symbolized as a chlorine over here. So with respect to the ammonia and chlorine, we can see the structure, cis configuration. This is the same plane for the monodentate ligand. Over here we have exchange, so ammonia is in opposite direction, chlorine is also in opposite direction. Another example for nitro, cis and trans. Another example also you can see, this PY is a pyridine. Now for this, as you can see, X and Y, these are the different kind of ligand, and A2 is the same kind of ligand, so it is of 2 time. So we will see with an example how this A and Y is substituted by the ammonia and bromine and chlorine. See, this is the same plane, so ammonia is situated over here, cis, and ammonia will be exchanging the place in the trans one. The another example with a chloro and nitro group, cis. Just you have to remember that ammonia is in a plane or not, because they are same. In the trans they are in opposite direction. For pyridine complex, now when all the 4 ligands are different, so there is no cis and trans configuration, but we will just have a different configuration of the arrangement of atom. Ammonia is kept constant over here. In the first case only chlorine and bromine is exchanged, and at the last bromine and pyridine. This is the square bracket. The ligands are ammonia, nitro group, NO2 group, pyridine and hydroxylamine. A different configuration. Cis and trans we cannot define over here. Now we will see for the poly and multidentate ligand, that is AB2. Over here GLY, that is glycine. GLY is a glycine. The name of the ligand is glycino. Glycine is alpha amino acids, which we have studied in the biomolecules. First alpha amino acid is a glycine. So you can see CH2C double bond O. This O should be over here, and see in this way. Now what I said, that for the chelate ligand you have to see the cis configuration with respect to the alkene in this way. On the top there is the nitro NH2, so this will be cis, and at the bottom it is OO. So this will be cis configuration. For the trans configuration, just you have to invert this. NH2 will be coming at the bottom, oxygen will be going on the top. See the trans configuration. Exchange over here or over here, anywhere you can do. Complex having the coordination number 6. Geometry octahedral, students, octahedral geometry, remember carefully. A4B2 means a ligand which will be having 4 ligand will be of same kind and 2 ligand will be of the another kind. In the center there is a central metal atom. A will be in the plane, B is on the top, and both B are the top. So this position, remember carefully students, this position, the numbering of this position try to understand. If suppose now this first on the top B, which is on the top, which is numbered as 1. Then just listen carefully. Which is in the square plane, it can be numbered as 2. So anywhere I can say 2. So if suppose if I say 2, see 1, this is 1, this is 2. This is 1, this is 2. Again, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the bottom. I repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means our B is at 1-6 position. So this 1-6 position symbolizes as trans. Now B is at now 1-2 position. One, two. I can write in the plane. I can say any atom as a 2. So this is said to be as a 1, 2. So this 2 is said to be as a cis configuration. Another example with the name of the ligand, that is ammonia and chlorine. 1-6 position, there is a chlorine and central metal is a cobalt. This will be as a cis. This will be trans configuration. 1-6 position trans configuration. Remember carefully. And 1-2 position will be cis configuration. Now 3 kind of ligand and another 3 kind of ligand. Let's see. One thing is done, that if there is the ligands are at 1-6 position, it will be said to be as a trans. You can see the geometry. The position they have said 60 degree, 20 degree and 80 degree. That is why it is also called as a MER, meridian. See, with respect to the meridians according to the geography. And this is said to be as a facial, that is fact. This is a trans and this is a cis. That also you remember. And it is also called meridian and facial. Now this A is a chelate ligand, because see the bracket has been given AA, chelate ligand which having same donor atom but 2. In one donor atom there is 2. Example, ethylene diamine. Now for chelation, just remember carefully. Now we are at the last point of the geometrical isomerism. This position is at 1-6, so directly you have to say that it is trans. And this is at 1-2 position, it will be of course cis. One 6 position, trans, 1-2 position, cis. Which of the following exhibit geometrical isomerism? Come on, student, answer the question. Geometrical isomerism, cis trans. As this having same ligand, no geometrical same, no over here, they can be given. C is answer, because in D we have seen all the ligands are different. So the right answer is C and D. Geometrical isomerism is so, but is cis and trans I cannot explain for ABCD. So it is also considered that it shows isomerism. With an example, that means C and D. Now the next is optical isomerism. We will see next time. Thank you.